Hey guys, I hope you're doing fine. I was trying to help somebody. They were having some problems because their Windows update would not install. So I just thought about why not just create a quick video so that it might be helpful for somebody else like yourself too. So Windows 10 is lately having a lot of problems when it gets to updates. So you might be seeing something like this or this or this. So to fix this issue, there is a solution out there that is provided by Microsoft. It's called SSU. Basically, it stands for Servicing Stack Update. Microsoft now wants you to install a KB article that would help you fix these kind of issues. In my experience, I have seen it fixes almost 95 plus percent of any update related issues. What you need to do is I'm going to show you a website too where you could go and look for these, and each of this KB article basically goes with the feature update of the Windows 10, the one that you have it installed. So as you know, or if you don't know too, Windows 10 has a different feature updates. Started out with 1507, then it kind of, the next was 1607, then 1703, and vice versa. So you need to find out what kind of operating system, the feature update you have installed, and then based on that, then you can go and download the KB article and then install it, and chances are that will fix your issue. So to find out which feature update that you have installed, simply on Windows 10 machine, simply click on this search box and type WinVer. That stands for Windows version, and just select it or just click on it, and then you should see a pop-up window like this. So this would, and this is, by the way, a very quick way to find out if somebody is asking you, hey, which Windows you have installed. You could do this, and this is how to get it real fast. So this one has Windows, I have Windows version 1903. Feature update 19. It's a Windows 10 feature update 1903, and then these are builds too. These are kind of important, but since you are a beginner, I don't think that you need to worry too much about this. But the main focus, your main focus needs to be on 1903. Or you might have 1809 or 1803, depending on what is the latest feature update that's installed on your machine. Ideally, it is best if you keep your system up to date, and if you are on a lower version than 1903, at the time that this is being recorded, is October 11, 2019. So try to get upgraded so that you have all the latest features available to you. So once you find out about the feature update version that is installed, then the next thing you need to do is go to the site. This is Microsoft website, is a catalog.update.microsoft.com. It's gonna look like this, and then in the search area, just go and type servicing stack update for Windows 10. And I'm gonna leave this one for you in the description of this video too, and do search. And the other way you could do, actually, what I'm gonna do is I will paste this link for you guys in the video description so that you don't even have to type and do the search. So once you are on this page, you are going to see all of the available SSUs depending on the feature update that is out there. So in my case, I'll just go and keep looking for it, and I'm gonna look for 1903. This is the one that I will go download and install, and then try to do update. You don't need a reboot for this to happen. So give it a try. Chances are this would fix your issue. But if you are still having issue, feel free to drop some comments in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to help you to get that fixed. Go through this, give it a try. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe it.